Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So we're looking at the Breville fully automatic espresso machine, the Oracle Touch. Quite the name, huh? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
And the DeLonghi Magnifica XS fully automatic espresso and cappuccino machine. A bit of a mouthful, but it's a classic for a reason. Seems like a solid, reliable machine.
Okay, let's dive in. Espresso aficionados, get ready. The Breville boasts the touchscreen interface. Swiping and selecting sounds pretty high-tech for my morning coffee. Is it just me? Or is that a little intimidating?
The DeLonghi, on the other hand, uses manual controls, good old-fashioned buttons. I guess it depends if you prefer the simplicity of buttons over the sleekness of touch. Less to go wrong, maybe?
Yeah, I see the Breville lets you personalize coffee strength, milk texture, and temperature, and save up to 8 custom settings. That's pretty fancy. Imagine dialing in your perfect latte and saving it.
The DeLonghi also allows for customization, but it focuses on adjusting the grind settings with its 13-setting burr grinder and coffee strength. It lets you choose from 5 different strengths, from extra mild to extra strong, so more granular control over the grind itself.
The Breville has a dual boiler for simultaneous extraction and steaming. Sounds like it might be faster if you're making multiple drinks.
The DeLonghi uses a single boiler system, so it might be a little slower when making back-to-back drinks, but that also probably contributes to its smaller size and lower price point. But it does have a manual frother for cappuccinos, so you can get your foam just how you like it. A little more hands-on, but some people prefer that control.
The Breville has automatic microfoam milk texturing with a self-cleaning steam wand. That sounds really convenient. Plus, latte art at home. No barista skills required.
Okay, the DeLonghi is a bit smaller, with dimensions of 16.93 dx 9.37, wx 13.39h, so it might be better if you're tight on counter space. Apartment dwellers, take note.
Good point. The Breville is a bit of a beast, weighing in at over 37 pounds and measuring 14.7x, 14.5x, 17.6 inches. You'll need some serious counter real estate.
The DeLonghi is much lighter, under 20 pounds. Easier to move around for cleaning, I guess.
And both of them use bean-to-cup brewing. Freshness is key. Yeah, the Breville has an integrated precision conical burr grinder that automatically grinds, doses, and tamps 22 grams of freshly ground coffee. Precise.
The DeLonghi also has a burr grinder with adjustable settings, and you can even use pre-ground coffee if you want. Flexibility is nice.
The Breville comes with a bunch of accessories, like different filter baskets, a milk jug, cleaning kit, and even a water hardness test strip. They really thought of everything.
The DeLonghi includes a cleaning brush, water filter, measuring scoop, and a total hardness test. The essentials, basically. Ultimately, it really depends on what you prioritize. Do you want high-tech convenience or classic simplicity?
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.